Why am I talking a lot about this topic? I have told about this topic before and I will tell about it in the future as well. In my previous videos, I have given tons of examples about how crucial the consistency can be. Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm so thrilled to see you here on my channel. Today's topic will be about consistency. Well, because of this consistency, you will see results in the future. If you try to do something regularly, every single day, for 15, for 20 minutes, you're going to succeed in the future. It works for everything. It works for learning a language. It works for making money. It works for improving your some skills. It works for, I don't know, improving relationship with your family members, with your partner. It works for becoming a good version of yourself. This topic is very vital. It's gonna be vital in the future as well. Well, but I'm gonna focus on being consistent in learning a language. Of course, my target language is English, and I want to be fluent. I want to sound like a native in English, and I want to make money. I want to make money, and I want to have huge amounts of money with the help of English. So that's why I am extremely focused and concentrated on English every single day. I don't want to be like super rich person, but I want to be financially independent, and I want to do a lot of charity work. I want to help others. I want to support people who are in need. I want to improve the environment around me, and I want to be just a good person. I want to be a good version of myself by learning English and by being fluent in English. There are many reasons. If you are good at English, you're going to consume information faster, and you're going to be, I don't know, smarter, maybe wiser, because there are all best-selling books are in English. I think there is no doubt about it, and you're gonna make money. You can make money online or without leaving your current town, without leaving your current place. You're gonna make money by working online, by making international job. So you're gonna get well-paid job. You're gonna make a lot of friends beyond borders, and you're gonna have a good communication skills thanks to English, thanks to people who support you in this journey. Well, why am I talking about consistency? When you do something regularly, slowly but surely, you are going to see results. Do not focus on the last greater result, because it's gonna kill your motivation immediately. But try to focus on daily practice. Try to concentrate on daily implementation, daily accomplishment. In my case, this is English. I gotta boost my vocabulary daily. I have to speak at least, I don't know, 30 to 1 hour every single day in English. I gotta make videos in English in order to overcome my fears, in order to gain confidence, to acquire confidence. And I have to, at the same time, I gotta improve my pronunciation in order to be, I don't know, I want others understand me. I don't want others to get confused when they listen to me, when they listen to my speech. So those are the main reasons that I'm working on my English every single day. Why am I talking about consistency? So doing something little every day is better than doing nothing at all. Because when you do something every single day, one day, it doesn't matter, maybe in a month, maybe in 2 months, maybe in 5 months, maybe in a year, there is going to be a change. Maybe a little change, maybe a big change, maybe a moderate change, but there is going to be a change of your there is going to be a change in your English, in your speaking skills, in your communication skills, in your listening, in your reading, in your vocabulary. So that is why this is better than doing nothing. When you do nothing, you're gonna regret. So in order to avoid regretting in the future, I think that would be better to try something today. When you take action, you see the results. When you don't take action, first of all, you regret. Secondly, you are going to keep feeling like a failure, I don't know, feeling like a loser, and it leads to nowhere, to nothing. But when you do something regularly, if it's a sport, you're gonna be physically more stronger, more powerful, or healthier. If it's like taking care of your skin, you're gonna, I don't know, look more beautiful. You're gonna become more confident about your beauty, about your health. If it's like losing your weight, in a year there's gonna be a dramatic change in your weight or in your confidence or in your life. At least you're gonna be more confident. Sure, if you do regular exercises, if you eat healthy food regularly, or consume like veggies and vegetables, I mean fruits regularly, and if you avoid consuming like fast food or like processed food, slowly but surely you're going to lose weight. At least you're not going to gain weight anymore. So in our case, this is English, and I want to be the best version of myself in terms of English, in terms of confidence, in terms of avoiding the fear. Yes, avoiding. I want to avoid feeling that fear. When I speak in front of the people, I want to sound more confident because people see it, people feel it. The audience, the crowd will notice your confidence in your voice, in your appearance, in your, I don't know, hand gestures or facial expressions, and in your communication skills. So that's why I think consistency is the key point that leads to success. So if you want to become a better version of yourself, try to do that thing regularly every day. There's one tip that I want to share. Do it a little bit every single day. Do not do it like hours for one day and resting for 5 or 6 days. No, it doesn't work. This is good for nothing. Instead, do it for 10 minutes but do it every day. That's how you're gonna be successful. You're gonna ensure, I don't know, you're going to ensure a better life for yourself and for people who are around you. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like it and share it. Bye bye.